If you are searching for how to play the Squid Game Season 2 in Roblox, then you are at the right video. So welcome to our new video. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you on how to play all the games of Season 2 Squid Game. So without any discussion, let's move to the video. Here open the Roblox app first and then tap on the search icon. And here search for the Squid Game frontman. Then tap on the first game and tap on the play icon. Here you can play all the games including the red light, green light and mingle game, everything. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.